Assalamu alaikum. Haben wan aksen. Somali Hanolato. Somali Hanolato. Minneapolis Hanolato. Magaiga wa Yarub Frey. President Mohammed, Parashon Akson, Sahibke, Madax waynaha, Sodhaweyay, Minneapolis. Meninka, Minikagi, Waye, Marti, Matihid, Sodhaweyay. It is a great honor to have you here in Minneapolis, our friend. This should be indeed a home away from home. This is your city. This is our city. When I first moved to Minneapolis many years ago, I didn't have many friends. I didn't have much family. But it was the Somali community that embraced me. The Somali community were my friends. They were my family. They stood up for me through tough times. They were there for me every step of the way. Mahat Senet. During your time already in office, you have shown that you are a tremendous leader, a leader for our times, one who champions peace, safety, not just in Somalia, but around the world. We're so appreciative to have you here right now in Minneapolis. I want to give a huge thank you to my colleague, to my friend, Councilmember Jamal Osman. He's done so much work as a liaison to make sure that the Somali community has a voice in City Hall every step of the way. But President Mohammed, it is times like these where you have said that we all need to come together to foster healthy relationships with Somalia. You have made sure to make sure that we have established friendships every single step of the way. You have stood up against hate. You have stood up against threats wherever they stand, whether that's Al-Shabaab or anyone else. And for that, we thank you. And so it is an honor to have you here in our city, and I am so happy to receive you. I can only ask that at some point in time you then receive me in Somalia, because I would love to visit. We have a sister city relationship with Bosaso, one that we are so proud of and one that we want to continue. So once again, Sodhaweyay Minneapolis, Sodhaweyay Minneapolis. Another champion of our city, someone that has stood up to many, many challenges, and someone that I am very, very proud to introduce to you right now, our Congresswoman, Ilhan Omar. Mahat Senet.